Good morning students. In the previous class we discussed how to convert binary to octal and octal to binary. Let us understand how to convert binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary. First one, 1101 base 2. So binary to hexadecimal, when you are going to convert to hexadecimal, we have to make a group of 4 bits that to start from LSB. Okay, when you convert binary to octal, you have to make a 3 bits, a group of 3 bits. In case of hexadecimal, 4 bits. So exactly 4 bits are there in the question. So 1101. So what is the decimal equivalent of this? Here we have 4 bits though. 2 to the power of 0, 1, 2 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 3. What is the value here? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8, 4, 2, 1. Isn't it? This is the shortcut method. So under 1 is there, under 2 0, we should not consider this. 4, under 4 1 is there, 8 1 is there. These are all powers. Okay, so we have to consider 8, 4 and 1. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. 13 base 16. Understood? And 13, how to write 13 in hexadecimal? After that we have to write D. I think D, no? 10A, 11B, 12C, 13, D base 16. Finally you have to write this. Otherwise you won't get the marks. This 13 means it is a decimal number. Isn't it? Next. 11011010 base 2. Now solution 11011010. We should start from LSB and we have to make a group of 4 bits. Here 3 bits are left. We need one more bit. Let us write a dotted 0 here. We have to add a dotted 0 to balance the bits. Now let us write the decimal equivalent of given binary group. To this group, what is the decimal number? 8421, isn't it? 8421. 8 plus 2, 10. So 10. Here 8421, 4281, isn't it? 4 plus 2, 6. So, and this 10 can be written as A. 10 is, that is A. 6A base 16. In this way we can convert binary to hexadecimal. I'll take another example. 1110.1101.011 base 2. Now this is a fractional binary. 1110.110111. Let us consider first integer part. As usual, it has to grouping starts from LSB. We have to make a group of 4 bits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 bit is left here. In order to make a 4 bit, we need 3 bits, and these 3 bits are filled with the dotted zeros. I am writing 3 dotted zeros here, isn't it? 3 0 0 0, 3 dotted 0 and 1. Here we have to start grouping from MSB for the fractional part. How many bits we have to consider? 4 bits at a stretch. Here 2 bits are required. We shall write dotted 0, 2 dotted zeros here. Okay, then what is the value of 0001 1 8421? Under 8, under 4, under 2 zeros are there, so we should not consider it. Under 1 is there, I must take 1. Here also 8 4 2 1. Under 8 and 2 ones are there, so I have to consider only these bits. 8 plus 2 10. Point here 8, 4, 2, 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Here 8, 4, 2, 1. 8 and 4 I should consider here 12. Now it can be written as 1A point A, B, C, D. 13 means D, no? 12 means C. So the final answer is 1A point DC base 16. Next, 11.01 base 2. Now 11.01. Here we need 2 more bits, so we have to write 2 dotted zeros so that it can become 4 bits. Here also we need 2 dotted zeros. Here 8, 4, 2, 1. Under 2 and 1 bits ones are there, so we should consider 2 and 1, that is 3.84. Under 4 there is a bit 1, so we have to write 4. 3.4 base 16. I hope you understood how to convert binary to hexa. Next, hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal system to binary system. Now first one, CAD base 16. So what is the method? First we have to write each digit, and let us write the equivalent decimal number first. C means 12, A 10 and D is 13. Now we have to write a decimal equivalent of this digit. How to write 12? Let us apply 8421 method. 8421. So there is no exactly the value 12. We have to add some bits here. Which bit I have to add here? Which position? 8 and 4. Then under this we have to write 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. 10. If you add 8 and 2, we'll get 10. So 1 0 1 0. And for 13, 8 plus 4 12. So and 12 plus 1 13. Under 2 we have to put 0 there. 1 1 0 1. So then collectively we have to write the answer. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 base 2. So given hexadecimal to binary number. Next, second one, BAD, BAD, BAD base 16. So B, A and D. So what is the equivalent, decimal equivalent of B? B means AB, 10, 11. Here A means 10, D, 13. Now how to write 11 in 4-bit binary? Same, 8421 method, 8421. How to make 11? 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So under 8, 2, 1, we have to write 1. Under 4, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 10, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1, 0, 1, 0. This becomes 1, 0, 1, 0. 13, 12 plus 1, 13. How to make 12? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 1, 0, 1. Then all together we'll write, that becomes the binary value of a given hexadecimal. Third one, BED base 16, BED 0.1A base 16. Now BED 0.1A. B means 11, E means 14 and D means 13. Point 1 means 1 itself and A means 10. Now how to write the 4-bit binary for 11? Same, 8421, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11 and at 4 we have to write 0, 1 0 1 1. 14 means ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 1 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0 and 13, 12 plus 1 13, so 1 1 0 1. Point, how to write 1 in 4-bit binary? Under 1 we have to write 1, directly 1 is there, so we have to put the bit 1 and remaining bits are 0. 000 1 and for 10, 8 plus 2 becomes 10, so 1 0 1 0, 1 0 for this, 1 0 1 0. Finally the answer would be 1 0 1 1, 1 1 1 0, 1 1 0 1, point 0001, 1 0 1 0 base 2. Next, beef. Point DAD base 16. BEEF point DAD. What is the decimal equivalent of B? 11, E means 14, E 14 and F is 15 dot. D means A, B, C, D, 10, 11, 12, 13. A means 10, again D is there, no, 13. Now, how to write 11 in 4-bit binary? Apply 8421 method here, 8421. How to make 11? 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11 and 0 it is. 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 1. For 14, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 0, 111 0. Here 14, same, 111 0. And for 15, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. All bits are required here. So 1 1 1 1 point 13, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So 1101, 10, 8 plus 2 is the 10, 1010 and for 13 1101. Finally answer would be 1011, 1110, 1110, 1111, point 1101, 1010, 1101 base 2. So in this way we can convert given hexadecimal number to binary number. Next conversion, octal to hexadecimal. Octal system to hexadecimal. First one, 71 base 8. This is a given octal number. What is the method here? First, we have to write the bits individually, digits. After that, we have to write the 3-bit binary for each digit. What is a 3-bit binary for 1? So when you consider 3-bit, you have to take only 4 to 1. How to write 1? 0, 0, 1, no? 0, 0, 1. First you have to convert into binary. Then 7, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 1, 1, 1. Then in the next step, this is step 1. And in step 2, collectively we have to write this. And in the step 3, we have to make a group of 4 bits. Step 3, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is group of 4 bits. And 1, 1, 2 bits are required. We have to write a dotted 0 here. So what is the value? What is the decimal value of this? 3. And this is 8, 4, 2, 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 39. 39 base 16. So the given 71 base 8, that is octal number. This is the equivalent hexadecimal number. So what is the method here? First we have to write the digits individually, and we have to write the 3-bit binary for each digit. Then altogether we have to write the answer. In the next step, we have to make a group of 4 bits. Then for those 4 bits, we have to write the decimal equivalent. For each group, we have to write the decimal equivalent. That answer becomes the hexadecimal number. Next. (65) base 8. See, you have to observe the question. In this question, the values are up to 7. It should not exceed 7. In that manner, they have given the question, because octal number system means it contains only 8 different digits. So you have to start from 0 to 7. You can take any number between in this set from 0 to 7. Apart from that, you should not take a number 8 and 9 in octal number. Octal number alli 8, 9 avella barode illa. Only 0 to 7. If yavade number tagoli 0 ಇಂದ 7 ಒಳಗಿರೋ combination ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Now 65 base 8, 6 and 5. Let us write the 3-bit binary. I'll write the steps here so that you can understand. Step 1. Write the 3-bit binary digits, 3-bit binary representation for each digit, that is 65. 6. How to write? 4, 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 0. 4 plus 1, isn't it? 4, 2, 1. Step 2. These groups are right together and make a group of 4 bits from LSB. It is an integer, no whole number, so you have to start from LSB. How to write it? 110101. 4 bit, 2 bits are required here, so dotted 0. Then in step 2 no it is. In step 3, write the decimal equivalent hexadecimal equivalent of each group. That is 3, 4 plus 1, 5. Then it becomes 35 base 16. Next, question. 151.14 base 8. According to step 1, first we have to write the 3-bit binary representation for each digit. 151.14. How to write 3-bit binary here? For 1, 001. Here 101, 001.001, here 100. In the next step we have to write these bits together. 001, 101, 001.001, 100. Now in the next step, step 1, this is step 2, and the step 3, we have to make a group of 4 bits. How? 1001, this is 0110, 0110. See, this is, and 0 left here, only 1 bit. To make 4 bits we have to add 3 dotted zeros here. So all 4 bits are 0, so the hexadecimal equivalent is 0 here. 842, 4 plus 2 means 6. 8 plus 1, 9. Point here, we have to start from most significant bit, 0011, and 2 more zeros are here. To balance it we need 2 more zeros, dotted zeros. This is 3 and this is 0. So the final answer is 069.30 base 16, or you can write it as 69.30 base 16. In this way you can write. Next question. 167.77 base 8. Now step 1, 167.77 3-bit binary representation, 001, 110, 111.111, 111. Next, step 2. Let us write these bits collectively. 111.111.111. So in the step 3, let us make a group of 4 bits. So in the integer part, we have to start from LSB 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 0.3 ones, no, 6 ones, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have to start from here. The same value I have written with the distance here. I gave space here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And 0 left here. To make 4 bits, I have to add 3 zeros here, dotted zeros. 1, 2, 3. And it has become 0. 4, 2, 1, that is 7. 4, 2, 1, that is 7. Point. Here we have to start from MSB. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more bits are required here, so I must write 0, dotted zeros. Then 1, 1, 1, 4 ones, it means 15. Here 8 plus 4, 12. And it can be written as 077.15. What is the value of what is 15 in hexadecimal? F. I must replace it with F, and 12 C. Point FC base 16. I hope you understood how to convert octal number system to hexadecimal. Next, hexadecimal to octal. So in each number system, in each conversion, we considered both whole number and fractional numbers. Conversion from hexadecimal to octal. The first one, bead, B-E-E-D, base 16. The given number is in hexadecimal. We have to convert into octal. So what are the methods? What is the steps here? Step 1. First we have to write the 4-bit binary for each digit. B. What is the value of B? 11. E 14. 14. D. A, B, C, D. 10, 11, 12, 13. How to write 11 in 4-bit? 8421 method we have to apply, no? 8421 method. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. And 14. 4 plus 2, sorry, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 111, 0. Here also 111, 0. And 13. 12 plus 1 is the 13. 1101. Now step 2. In step 2 we have to write all bits together. 1, 0, 1, 1, 111, 0, 111, 0, 11, 1101. Now we have to make a group of 3 bits from LSB. Group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3, group 4, group 5. So there is only 1 bit left. So in order to balance, we have to add 2 more dotted zeros here. Now let us write the octal equivalent of these bits. 1, 4, 2, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So the value is 3. 4, 2, 1. Here 4, 2, 1. 4, 2. Ella bits use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 4, 2, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. This is 4, 2, 1. 4 and 1, 5. Here also 5. The answer will, in the step 3 we have to write the answer. 137,355 base 8. Next. C1 to F base 16. Step 1, C1 to F, we have to write a 4-bit binary representation. C means 12, 1 itself, 2 itself, 15. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. How to write 1 in 4-bit? 00001 and 2 0010 and 15 4 ones. Now I am writing directly. I hope you understood how I am writing here. In the previous examples, in each and every step I explained how to write these bits. Next, in the step 2, we have to write together 1100 000 100 10 1111. Now we have to make a group of 3 bits. In the next step, step 3, double 0 0 1 double 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. So from LSB we have to make group of 3 bits. 1, this is a group, another group. Here we need 2 more bits, so we have to add zeros here, dotted zeros. So what is the value here? 1, this is 4, and this is 0, this is 4, this is 5, and it is 7. So the final answer is 140457 base 8. Next, BEAD, bead, point, DED, base 16. So here I have taken fractional part. Same method we have to apply what we applied for conversion from what is that, binary to hexadecimal. B, step 1, BEAD, point, DED. Now, what is the value of B? 11, and E is 14, A means 10, and D is 13. Point, 13, 14, and 13. Then what is the 4-bit binary representation? 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, isn't it? 4, 2, 8, 4, 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1. I need 11 here. How to write? If you add 8, 2 and 1, you will get 11. So 1, 1, under these positions, I must write 1 and remaining 0. 1, 0, 1, 1. 14 means 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So, 111, 10 means 8 plus 2, 10. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And 13, 12 plus 1 13, 8 plus 4 12 and 1. So 1101 point, here also 1101, and for 14 0001, sorry 1110, and for 13 1101. In the next step, I'll write here step 2. We have to make a group of 3 bits. Integer part we have to start from LSB, and for fractional part start from MSB. 10 11 111 0. What I am doing is, all together I am writing these bits. So the 1011 1110. Now 1010. Here 1101 point 1101 1110 1101. Step 3, we shall make a group here. 1011 111 01010 101 point 1101 1101 1110 1101. So for the integer, 3 bits binary, no? First group, and this is second group. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and for this we have to add 2 dotted zeros. Now 001, what is the octal number? 1. 011 421, 21 means 3. 111 7, that is here 4 to 1, under 2 there is a bit 1, so we must consider 2 only. Here 5, and it is 5. Now let us take a fractional part. We have to start from MSB, make a group of 3 bits. 110, here 111 101 101 110. What is the octal equivalent? 4 plus 2, that is 6, and this is 7, it's a 5, and it is 5. So the final answer would be 137255.6755 base 8. So in this way we can convert hexadecimal system into octal number system. So I hope you understood how to convert other number system to other number system. So in other number system to other number system, we started from binary to octal and octal to binary. After that, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, then octal to hexadecimal. Now the last method is hexadecimal to octal number system. So these are the conversions. Now I hope you understood all these conversions. Before this we studied decimal to other number system and other number system to decimal. In this chapter we have many conversions. So please, you have to notice the methods. Okay, it's no use even if you are doing many problems and all under the particular method. It's no use. You have to remember the method, how to convert, how to remember easily. First, let us consider decimal to other number system. So this is one method. In decimal to other number system, the given number is in decimal form. We want to convert into other number system. What are the systems comes under other number systems? Octal, binary and hexadecimal. So how to remember easily? When you are going to convert decimal to other number system, we have to take a number, decimal number, and divide that number with the help of, with the base of the number system to which we are going to convert. Okay, if you are going to convert decimal to binary, the given number you have to divide it by the base of binary number system. What is the base of binary number system? 2. So we have to divide the number by 2 and you have to collect the remainder and put in a reverse order. If it is whole binary number, if it is only having integer part, okay, if it is fractional decimal number, integer part is same, but the fractional part you have to multiply it by 2 and collect the result. In that result, that integer part would be the carry. For the next step, you have to take the result and you have to ignore that carry, okay, and those carry would be the results there. You have to write in a top down manner. The same method is applicable for decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal. Only difference is you have to take the base of that particular number system. So when you come to other number system to other number system to decimal number, which number system, from which number system are you going to convert? If for example you are going to convert from octal to decimal, so you have to take each digit of a given number and multiply the digit with the base and its positional weight. Finally you have to add these values what you obtained in each calculation. Understood? So the same method is applicable for binary and also hexadecimal and other number system to other number systems. So thoroughly go through this at the beginning or in one stretch. You can't remember. With the practice only you can understood and you can easily remember. Don't worry if at once or twice if you try it won't come, don't worry about it. Keep on trying, keep on remembering the methods. If the given number is in octal, how to convert hexadecimal, how to convert a binary. So in this way you have to glance the systems, glance the methods. Understood? So I have explained how to remember also. So this chapter is about positional number system and how to give the explanation about different number systems and how to convert one number system to another number system. You will get a maximum marks, maximum questions on this conversion in this chapter. So in the next class, let us start the binary operations. What are the operations we can perform on binary numbers? Thank you.